Hi guys, today's video is just the installation of my IKEA Kallax unit, and here I'm just showing you the instructions. I'm going to be taking all of the pieces out so that I can get started. And now I'm just getting out the screws that I'll need to begin putting everything together. And I'm just showing you the tool that you need. Other than this, you'll need a hammer. Now I'm just showing you where you'll screw the top of the unit into one of the sides. And I'm just showing you the holes. And it's easier if you screw it, through the top and then, connect the side to it. That's why you see me screwing it in just a little bit. And then I just hook the side onto the screw. Now I'm just showing you one of the shelves. And you have to insert 4 little dowels into the side. One good thing about IKEA's furniture, which is the reason why I like it so much and it's so easy to put together, is because there is no right or wrong. There's no right or wrong side, and that's what I like about their stuff. And it's just good quality as well, good prices as well. Now you're going to put the next, I guess it's a shelf. It's just the shelf that's going to be in between the little cubes. You insert the dowels in that and then just stick those in. Now that shelf has been added to the unit. Now you're going to add the wooden dowels again, but this time you're going to need a hammer because you have to hammer them through this shelf into that middle shelf. And so you need a hammer for that. Now you add some more dowels and so on. Now you're going to add the screws and put the other side on. And so now you have all the sides on, and it's time to put the bottom part on. And at the top there are 2 wooden dowels that we put on that middle shelf. So I'm anchoring them on the dowels. And then you get ready to screw the last 4 screws into the sides. And that's what I'm showing you as I put the screws in there. Okay, and now I'm just turning it around so that I could screw the last 2 screws in. Here I'm just adjusting the camera, showing you the total look, and here are just the protective feet that they give to put on the bottom of the unit in case you slide it around so they won't damage it. And guys, I just want to thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Bye.